Ghulam Mohammad Safi has been elected as the new convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter, with Advocate Parvez Ahmed and Mushtaq Ahmed Butt elected as the General Secretary and Information Secretary respectively. Today's election at the APHC HK office in Islamabad was attended by all Hurriyat units, marking the second election since the unification of the all Hurriyat groups in occupied Kashmir. Civil society members in occupied Kashmir have condemned the Indian government's continued violation of the international laws and conventions, calling for the restoration of the Articles 370 and 35A and immediate solution to the Kashmir dispute. Members at a meeting in Srinagar highlighted that the Indian government has deprived the people of occupied Kashmir of their basic human rights. Indian opposition has condemned the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's boost of achieving peace and normalcy in occupied Kashmir following an alleged attack on a bus carrying the Hindu pilgrims that resulted in 10 deaths. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge criticized the PM Modi, stating that the attack highlights the unfounded claims of peace and normalcy in the region. Indian police head constable lost his life in a road accident in Doda district, and Indian police head constable Ramraj met with an accident when his car he was travelling in rolled down near the Assar area of the district. New Type Primary Health Center in Bandipora district has been without the electricity since 2019, rendering the machinery inoperable. The locals complained that despite repeated pleas, the authorities have failed to address the issue.